Let's take a look at how we answer this question. Again, there's a couple of things we need to bear in mind first before we start. Quite clearly here, the examiners have told us it's not drawn accurately, and the question says in the space below, make an accurate drawing. Okay, so it needs to be accurate, and to do that we need certain equipment. We need a sharp pencil, we need a ruler, and we need a protractor. We'll also need a pen to label it. As you can see at the bottom, it's worth 3 marks. Again, any mistakes, use a rubber, but we do try and leave as many construction lines in as possible. So there's all this information here as well. It tells me about the triangle, and it's just confirming what is shown in the diagram. So I'm going to start down towards the bottom, so I've got enough room to work above, and I can see that this baseline of the triangle is 8 centimetres. Again, make sure you've got a ruler that starts at 0 and goes up to 15 like this one, or if you can, try and get a 30 centimetre ruler. So I'm just going to mark 0, I'm going to mark 8, and then I'm going to draw the line in pencil, move it, and then I'm just going to label it. So in my black pen, 8 centimetres. Okay, lets the examiner know when they're marking it, what I've done, and also helps them when they are measuring it. There's my first mark already. So this triangle, can see we've got a side, angle, side. So this is referred to as SAS, side, angle, side. So we're going to deal with the angle first, and this requires the use of the protractor. We're going to make sure the centre here is on this end of the line, because you can see from the diagram that the angle is at this side. So the centre needs to go at the end of this line. Making sure 0 is on my baseline. Make sure we count from 1. We don't count from 3 up to 350 from 1. We go 1, 2, up to 10. Angle of 43. So 10, 20, 30, 40. These little ones are 1 each. So we find the third one, 1, 2, 3, and we make a mark. Okay. Now, this line here is exactly 7 centimetres. So using our ruler, we put 0 at this end, we line it up with the dot, and we draw a line exactly 7 centimetres. So I know there's 7, 0 to 7, I'm going to join that up and stop exactly there. Before I do anything else and complete this triangle, I'm going to label it. So 43 degrees in my black pen, 7 centimetres in my black pen. And all I need to do to finish this off is join these 2 lines for my third mark. So 1 mark for the baseline, 1 mark for the correct angle, 1 line mark for the 7 centimetre line. You don't need to measure this unless there's a part B where it asks you to measure it, but in this case that question is now finished.